Hi, Perry Lawrence here from doanythingwithwordpress.com, and today we're going to take a look at a very cool set of features that you can install called Jetpack. Now, Jetpack is from the same folks who developed WordPress, and so it's bringing to you a bunch of great new features that you could get if you install some other plugins or a host of plugins. And as you can see, all of these Jetpack features come with one simple install. You don't have to use all of them. Matter of fact, you don't have to use any of them, but we're going to take a look at a few and some of the ones that come highly recommended. So let's go ahead and install Jetpack on our blog. So to do that, I'm going to go into the admin panel. And since I am actually running on the Bluehost install here, it comes with a Jetpack install already available. Let's just go check the plugins real quick to make sure that the Jetpack plugin is up to date. And there is a new version, so let's go ahead and first update it before we install it. All right, so now it's updated. And just for ease, let's go to the dashboard again. And we're going to connect to WordPress Jetpack. Okay, since I'm already logged into my WordPress.com account, it's going to allow me to authorize Jetpack. Now, you can get a free WordPress account, WordPress.com account. You don't have to install any blogs on it, but you do need WordPress.com to get Jetpack and a few other plugins to work correctly. Let's go ahead and authorize Jetpack. Okay, now we're all good to go with Jetpack. Jumpstart your site. So, to immediately boost performance, security, and engagement, we recommend activating manage, carousel, related posts, etc., etc. So now we can go through and select which one of these, if not all of these, we want to install on our site. So I'm going to skip the jumpstart and we're going to do these manually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to configure a few of these, and the first one's going to be the WordPress.com stats. And it shows me what I can have in my admin bar, what the registered users count, the page views, etc., etc. I'm going to leave this set at the default and hit Save Configuration. Now I'm going to go back to the Jetpack settings page. I've got the stats configured. Now I want to hit Protect. Now this adds brute force protection, meaning folks that are just brute forcing IDs and passwords to get in here. And whitelist IP address prevents it from being blocked by Jetpack. So I am definitely going to whitelist my current IP. And hit save, and I'm good to go. Going back to the Jetpack, I want to do one more, and that's going to be publicize. Share new posts on social media networks automatically. So this allows us to connect our blog to popular social sites and automatically share the posts when you do make a post. So we're going to go through here and connect all of our social media accounts, and then we'll have a bunch of sharing buttons available as well. So what I've done now is I've connected my WordPress site directly with my Facebook account and directly to the page I manage called Do Anything with WordPress. So any posts now that I post on Do Anything demo are going to get posted to the Do Anything with WordPress site. Now these sharing buttons I want to install, and I want to allow people to be able to share through different services. So email, Facebook for sure, LinkedIn, Let's go ahead and do Twitter, Google Plus, and Pinterest. We can add more, take away some if we want, but that's the ones that I like, and so that's the ones I'm going to leave up and running. So icon styles, icon and text, icon only. I like the icon only. And sharing label, you can change it to say anything you want. Show buttons on. Now, what do we want to show the buttons on? Front page, posts, pages, media. Let's go ahead and just do posts only for now. Twitter site tag, the Twitter username of the owner of this site's domain. So we're going to go ahead and put that here. An old Twitter handle. And save changes. Okay, so now let's take a look at how that's impacted our site. Let's go ahead and look at one of the default posts. And we've got share this. So we hover over the share this, and there's our email, Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Google+. So those are the settings that I recommend. Let's take a look at some of the other options that you have. I really like enhanced distribution. Let's go ahead and activate that. So what enhanced distribution does, automatically take your content and share it with third-party search engines. Highly recommend that you do that. Let's take a look at another one. Okay, another really great one is related posts. Okay, everyone's seen related posts. This is a great way to get folks to visit more areas of your site and to stay on your site longer. Let's go ahead and activate that. All right, so those are the Jetpack enhancements that I really like. Some other ones that are interesting are contact form, the Jetpack comments. We're going to take a look at some other commenting systems, but the Jetpack comments, actually, let's go ahead and install that. And let's go ahead and take a look at how that impacts the commenting engine. Okay, so this is a comment, and so I can leave a comment down here. As soon as I click in there, it's going to ask me, do you want to be notified by new comments via email? Notify me new posts via email. It automatically knows that I'm logged in, and it selects my name and email address. So great plugin. I'm going to post that comment. And comment is submitting. So there you have it. Just a quick and easy way to get some added power to your WordPress site. We're going to take a look at some other plugins and some other settings in the next time. But until then, I'm Perry Lawrence. You can do anything with WordPress.